Tough Tape Seam Tape is perfect for sealing flat seams and reinforcing high wear areas like knees, elbows, and corners. This 10 by 20 tape is strong, flexible, and waterproof, ideal for repairs on tents, dry suits, inflatables, and more. To apply, start with a clean, dry surface. Peel off the backing paper, then stick the tape down about 5 centimeters at a time. To activate the adhesive and ensure a long-lasting bond, press firmly with a hard object like the back of a spoon. For fast, reliable repairs, trust Tough Tape to hold strong